Hello and welcome. In a previous video, we saw what is meant by money market. In this video, we are going to learn the structure of the Indian money market. So let's get started. So today we will study the call money market. Indian money market is divided into two segments. First is call money market and second is bills market. In call money market, there are several points which we will study today. First, the call money market is also known as the interbank call money market. It is a short-term market and the short-term loan given by one financial institution to another financial institution. The call money market generally varies between 1 to 14 days. Call money market allows bank to earn interest from their surplus funds. The call money is typically used by brokerage firms for the short-term funding needs. Okay, so to give you the fair explanation, I will start by giving you a simple example. Let's say there are two banks, Bank A and Bank B. Bank A has surplus funds of 1000 crores and Bank B is falling short of 500 crores. So Bank B needs a finance from Bank A for nearly about 10 days. Then Bank B will approach to Bank A and will demand some funds from Bank A. Bank A has already some surplus funds, as I told you. So the officials of Bank A will ask Bank B to pay some interest rate. So the loan which will be lended by the Bank A to Bank B will be the call money loan, and the rate at which this loan will be lended is the call money rate. So this was just an example for you. So the idea of the call money market is to finance the short-term needs of the institutions. Now second topic, how does this market functions? Call loans are availed through auctions or negotiations on call rates. The highest bidder gets the loan. See, we know what is meant by auctions. That is a one entity which is giving this loan has several customers. That is Bank A in our case is the lender and Bank B, C, D, E are the acceptors. So these four banks will auction for those money which the Bank A is lending to them. Or in another case, as I told you, the negotiations happens and the rates gets decided. It's pretty simple. The electronic platforms called negotiable trading system, that is NTS, deals with the call money. You must be knowing about the share market. This is very much similar with the share market, but here no trading of shares take place. Here the only trading of loan take place. It is the most sensitive segment of the economy. Why? Because due to this interest rates of the call money, the overall financial health of the economy gets reflected on share market also and into the international market also. Okay, now how many participants are there in the call money market? First, Indian and foreign commercial banks, cooperative banks, Discount and Financial House of India, that is DFHI, and Securities Trading Corporation of India, that is STCI. These all institutions participate as lenders and borrowers also. Now second, Indian Unit Trust, that is UTI, Unit Trust of India, Life Insurance Corporation, LIC, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD, participate only as the lender. See, I told you that there are two types of players in the money market, and specifically in the call money market, lenders and acceptors or the borrowers. So the institutions specified previously are acceptors or the borrowers and lenders also, which are Indian and foreign commercial banks, cooperative banks, then DHFI and Securities Trading Board of India, or the Securities Corporation of India. They are lenders and borrowers also. But NABARD, UTI, and LIC, they are the only lenders. Why? Because NABARD does not need loan for the short term need finance. LIC also works for the same issue. So they have the surplus funds deposited in their shelves, and so to earn the more profit, these institutions will lend to previously specified institutions. Okay, so this was all about this topic. In next topic, I will teach you the bill market. What is meant by bill market and how the bill market functions. So till then, stay safe, stay secure, and take necessary precautions to prevent yourself from the coronavirus. Bye.